Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add Alexa to your speaker EDIFIER MS50A. You have to start by open EDIFIER Home application, and of course you need to add the speaker to the app, then you will see it at the device list. Tap at the speaker here and go to the settings. Right here at the bottom we have Amazon account, tap at this line, then click sign in to Amazon and continue setup. Now we need to enter to the account, or you can create a new one by click at the create account, but I'm going to sign in, and right here we need to write password, email, then continue. Now write your password, and then click sign in. Hello. Confirm. Done. Right here select language, so I'm going to use English, but we have another one here, so we can just scroll down and select it, then click done, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!